As a matter of fact, the reason why Taygrin is where he is right now, it simply means he's gifted into something that you yourself you are not gifted into. I'm not saying Janta is authentic, I'm not saying Taygrin is authentic, and I'm not saying they are fake either. So if you want to be like me, you just have to be closer to me and learn from me. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video in this YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Dixon, and don't forget to hit this the subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos you get to receive notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, then cheers and thanks a lot for your support. And also thank you for everything that you are doing in the comment section below, but also liking my videos. I really appreciate for that. So guys, in today's show we want to talk about Taygrin, but also want to talk about Janta. If you didn't watch my previous two videos about Doctor and also Taygrin, I'll pin down below. You guys go ahead and check out the videos. I'll really appreciate, and they're going to help you to catch up to this video that I'll be talking about. So you guys, I'm gonna go straight into the show, whereby we saw a post of Taygrin. I think you remember if you watched the previous video about Billboard that was placed at Times Square. Yeah, so the thing is that as time went by, things started to go viral and people started bringing hate speeches and stuff and saying, hey, that thing was fake, it's Canva and stuff. So we just had, boom, we didn't know exactly what's the truth about this, but guys, one thing that I know is that we saw Taygrin posted the video and he said the Billboard was at Times Square in New York, but now people had to come in and say this isn't fake. But to me guys, I don't know what's the truth. All I know is that the Billboard was placed at Times Square in New York. If it was a lie, if it was faked, that's not my problem. It's Taygrin's problem. But guys, who the hell is gonna do that? You just wake up and hire people. You know, you are a public figure, you are famous and people knows you, they trust you. How do you wake up and fake something like that? No guys, this thing is questionable. But for me, I can't easily agree to what people are saying. I can't. And guys, up to now I can't really agree to what people are saying unless if they provide a valid reason or they provide a valid proof that really Taygrin faked it. And as a matter of fact, if you know someone who can do that, let them do with my face. Email me the video, I'm gonna pay them the money. Guys, I want to do the challenge. If you know someone who can do such kind of a thing, let them do my face with my face or my picture. Go on Instagram or go on Facebook, download my picture and fake something similar to that, make a video and email it to me. I'm going to pay you money. All I'm trying to say is that that thing that Taygrin made is authentic. That thing is true. He can't wake up and fake that thing. Trust me guys, believe me or not, but he can't fake. But the problem that we have in Malawi now is that towards each and every achievement that you've made, people, they always have something negative to talk about. But guys, just as I said in my previous video, I really encourage Malawians, and also if you have Zambians watching me and other African people, if you are watching me, what I want to encourage you is that you should be kind of a person who is always positive. If you're going to be kind of a person who is negative all the time, you won't be successful in life. As a matter of fact, the reason why Taygrin is where he is right now, it simply means he's gifted into something that you yourself you are not gifted into. In other words, Taygrin knows something that you and we don't know. And if you have to be realistic, even you watching, you have something that myself I don't have, and I have something that you even don't have. So if you want to be like me, you just have to be closer to me and learn from me. In the same way, if I have to be like Taygrin, I should not hate him, but I have to be closer to him. The more I get closer to him, the more I learn his secret. And the more I learn his secret is the more I also become to be successful. But if I wake up and start hating a person, definitely there's no way I'm going to learn anything from that person. Because if I hate them, there's nothing I'm learning from them. And if I'm not learning, I'm not growing. There's a quote which says that when you stop learning, you stop growing. Which simply means if you quit learning and start hating people, you don't grow. Alright guys, it's enough of Taygrin. Let's go to Janta. So Janta, we also saw, I think 2 days ago, he also posted a video similar to that billboard of Taygrin, but he didn't mention where the where the billboard was placed, but we've seen it. And people have been talking nonsense. They've been talking a lot of things, saying, Janta also has joined the group of Taygrin faking stuff. But guys, I don't know. What I'm here to say is that, guys, learn to be positive. I'm not saying Janta is authentic. I'm not saying Taygrin is authentic, and I'm not saying they are fake either. But all I'm saying is that, guys, you should learn to be positive. You know, I saw even media agencies in Malawi. They were even writing news about this, saying, these guys are faking life and stuff. Guys, if they're faking life, that's their own problem. And if they're faking life, it's not us to lose, it's them losing. It's not us, it's not you and me, it's them losing. If you fake life, if you are presenting something that you are not into, that means you are lying to yourself. If I have to be practical, it's like myself. If I have to go out and borrow shirts or maybe borrow clothes and wear them and showcase on social media, and people start praising me, saying, hey, this guy can dress, this guy has a lot of money, yet I don't have, then I'm just lying myself, because one day you are going to come to me asking for help. If I'll not be able to give out that help, or maybe if you come to visit me and you realize I don't have whatever I'm showcasing, that means I'm just hating myself and I'm closing doors for myself. Yo guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know your views in the comment section below, and if there's a story that you want me to react to say something about, make sure you link me up on Facebook or on Instagram. I'll be there, guys, to react and say what I am thinking based on that particular story. Yeah, so guys, thank you for being there, and also don't forget to leave a like. If you didn't like the video, make sure you put the dislike. I'm going to appreciate whatsoever. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, and as always, God bless.